Hello friends, welcome to Veena's Blueruses. So in the last video, hope you have all seen that silk thread jhumka. In that I have mentioned that I will be showing a silk thread anklet. So this is the one using silk thread. Here we have taken this golden color and I have posted this anklet using one of my broken neck piece. So these are the things we need to make silk thread anklet. Here I have taken this golden color thread. So let's see. She has taken one board like this and swirl the thread like this as we did in the silk thread jhumka video. So those who haven't seen that video, please do watch so that you can make one for yourself. So more we may do like this, the more thickness will come for our final product. So make sure you swirl more than silk thread jhumka. We need more thickness for this anklet. Now let's cut. Then even it out. Now let's tie that ring type by applying glue so that it will stick firmly. Take measurement and cut this. Take measurement of your leg, how much you need, and cut this thread accordingly. So now one person is holding and the other one going to braid this thread. Take 3 portions as we usually braid. Do this with silk thread. Make sure to hold firmly so that the thread will be even. For more thickness, you can swirl more thread. Braid tightly so that it will look good. Now it's almost done, going to finish. You can do this according to your creativity. After this silk thread anklet video, you will see how I have transformed one of my neck piece to anklet. So it's almost done. At the end, put glue. You can hang it like a tassel or else can stick to each other. So now we are going to even it out. Now put the other ring. That piece you can hang it also. Here she is sticking it. Now it's almost done. Now she is fixing that hook. S hook. Attaching stones, hangings, everything up to our creativity. It depends on our creativity. So this is the basic one. It's ready. Now she is going to give this hangings onto it. Let's see how she is fixing this. She is inserting that hook inside that braid so that it will stick firmly. Now the hangings, bright and shiny. If you have that pliers, it will be very easy. Can fix it well. Now all 3 hangings are ready. Now to increase its beauty, we are going to stick a red color stones on this. So let's see. Now after sticking this red stones, you can see how beautiful this anglet looks like. Allow this red on the top of this golden color. So this is the final look. You can change the color of this stone hangings and everything. It's up to you. So hope you like this silk thread anglet. Now let's wear and see. After wearing this anglet, I love this anglet more. So this is how it looks like. Now let's see how I have transformed one of my neck piece into this anglet. So it's broken, so I am just trying to make into an anglet. So let's see. I have taken one butterfly also. Let's remove this. These are all according to our creativity. We feel happy and proud wearing our own made things. So now going to fix this butterfly. If you have that jewelry making pliers, it will be much more easier than making with hand. Now just fix the rings together. In the middle, I will insert this butterfly. That is a thin wire. Like this, you can also think anything broken, you can make something better out of that. So here you go. It's done. I can say it's under 10 minutes we can make this. So that is the one to close. It's done. Now let's wear and see how it looks. So hope you like the way I have transformed this neck piece into anglet. I felt it's looking stylish and beautiful. So hope you like this video. You can also give it a try and send me your feedbacks in the comment section below, or else you can follow me on Instagram as well. So you can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have, by Maya Angelou. I love these words. In my friend home, I found this interesting flower carpet one which her daughter made out of these pulses. So let's our kids also get creative. Let's creativity fill our minds. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Veena's Blue Roses for more such videos, and remember to press the bell so that as and when I post new videos, you will get notified.